Wow. Thank you for watching our channel. Beautiful lobsters are done. They're done, see? Check it out. Come from this side. We show you all. Oh wow, lobsters look so beautiful, right? You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Very nice. Yeah, you can see this claw. Look at this big claw. Wow. Wow. See, look at these. So big. See? Very cool. Take a picture. Thank you, see? Look, very nice lobsters. Very cool. See? We cooked on George Foreman grill, see? Look very nice. Very nice, see? See, ear. I'm gonna put ear. Thank you guys, thank you. If you watch, my other videos, you can see how we cooked them on the grill, steaming, kind of steaming on the grill. New procedures, new procedures. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See, we're gonna put right here, and we're gonna wait until these guys cool down. We're gonna wait until they cool down. But I think they look beautiful, very beautiful. Very beautiful lobsters. So we're gonna wait till they cool down, and then we're gonna try to eat. But I like, looks beautiful to me. I, haven't had many times this stuff. Only on occasions, and we cook for YouTube, trying to show you how, just, having fun. And also, I think we do good cooking, all the time, I think. And I hope you think so too. I hope you enjoy the videos. Yeah. See? Oh. Just having fun. See? Inside. Very cool. Wow. Big one. Just big one. This one too, look. Look at this. Oh. Wow. Tail. And here, you can eat tail. You can eat these things. This stuff, you just have to have something to break it. I'm gonna try to find a few hammers. I'm just joking. Not hammer. But this stuff, see, should break. We have metal ones also like this. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I hope everybody, try, eat this, Thank you so much. Bye-bye.